Easy vegan bolognese. Start the week with a delicious meat-free meal made using Fusilli pasta, sliced cut mushrooms, lentils, veggie pasta sauce and some basil leaves. Then in just 25 minutes you'll have a great tasting meal on the table. First cook the pasta in a large saucepan of boiling water until al dente. Drain well, then return the pasta to the pan. Meanwhile, heat a large frying pan over high heat. Add the mushrooms and cook stirring for 5 minutes until the mushrooms soften. Add rinsed and drained lentils and the pasta sauce. Continue cooking for 5 minutes until the sauce thickens slightly. Then stir in some chopped basil leaves. Just before serving, toss half the mushroom mixture through the pasta. Divide among serving bowls and top with the remaining mushroom mixture. Sprinkle with some basil leaves to serve. Packed with veggies and lots of tasty flavours, this simple pasta dish will freshen up any weeknight meal. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more 5-ingredient dinners, head to our What's for Dinner playlist here.